Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data and confirming the problem. Backup photos and contacts, then note your phone model and OS. Power the device off and boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app causes the double screen. Once done, if the duplicate image disappears in safe mode, identify and uninstall the last installed apps. If not, proceed to reset display settings. Make sure to keep actions incremental so you can reverse steps if needed. You now focus on software and settings. Open display options and set scaling and resolution to recommended defaults, because improper scaling can mirror parts of the UI. Update the OS and all apps and clear the display or system cache to eliminate corrupted temporary files. If available, run the built-in display diagnostics or the manufacturer's screen test to check for ghosting or retention. As you go, record what you change so you can undo it. This isolates the software layer from hardware faults. You finish with hardware verification and recovery. If software fixes fail, perform a factory reset after backing up to confirm the issue is not configuration-based. Once reset, if the double screen remains, inspect for bends, cracks, or liquid signs and gently press around the frame to test connector seating. Do not open the phone yourself unless qualified. If physical issues are suspected, contact manufacturer support or an authorized technician for diagnostic service and a screen replacement estimate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.